Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials, exercise 3.4, question number 3. The question is given: obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are under root of 5 by 3 and minus under root of 5 by 3. Okay na? So clearly this is a which type of polynomial na? 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is a biquadratic polynomial. Yes or no? This is a biquadratic polynomial. Okay? Now see, a biquadratic polynomial at most have how many zeros, Nana? 4 zeros. Yes. Now I'm writing the data. Given polynomial that is p of x is equals to 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. And what are the given two zeros? Two of its zeros. Actually, a biquadratic polynomial have at most 4 zeros, but in that given two zeros are, that is under root of 5 by 3 minus under root of 5 by 3. So therefore we can divide that is x minus under root of 5 by 3 into x plus under root of 5 by 3, because of under root of 5 by 3 comma minus under root of 5 by 3. If these two are zeros, x minus under root of 5 by 3, x plus under root of 5 by 3, these two are factors. Ivi rendu zeros aithe ivi rendu entamo factors. Okay, now see it is in the form of a minus b, a minus root b into a plus root b. Then we can write it as a into a, that is a square minus b. We can write in the form of a square minus b. So that is x into x water by using this form, a minus root b into a plus root b, that is a square minus b, means x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, now what is the divisor? So we get the divisor g of x is equals to x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, now let us go for the division. I am dividing this polynomial, that is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 with the g of x, that is x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, now see what happened. In this, what is the highest degree term? In this dividend, what is the highest degree term, Nana? The highest degree term vachesi, that is 3x to the power of 4. And in divisor, what is the highest degree term? That is x square. X square, x to the power of 4 cancel, means we get that is 3x square. Okay, we write in the place of quotient 3x square. Again you multiply the divisor with 3x square, means x square minus 5 by 3. Now 3x square into x square, that is 3x to the power of 4. 3 cancel అయిపోతే x square into 5, that is minus 5x square. Is it clear for you? 3x square into x square, that is 3x to the power of 4. 3 cancel అయిపోతే x square into minus 5, that is minus 5x square. Now you write here in this place, that is 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x square. ఈ x square కింద అది రాసాను, minus 5x square. By changing the signs, this is plus 3x square means minus 3x square, minus 5x square means that is plus 5x square. Now clearly plus 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 cancel. What is remaining here? That is plus 6x cube. Here minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 means that is plus 3x square. As usually ఈ two terms కింద down రాసేస్తాను, minus 10x minus 5. Again in this, what is the highest degree term in this polynomial? That is 6x cube. And what is the highest degree term in this divisor? That is x square. X square x cube cancel means we get that is 6x. You write in the place of quotient, that is 6x. Again you divide, you multiply the divisor, that is x square minus 5 by 3 into 6x. Okay, now you just multiply 6x into x square, that is 6x cube. 6x into x square, that is 6x cube. 6x into minus 5 by 3. You just cancel 3 తోటి 2ని క్యాన్సిల్ 6ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. 3 1s are 3 2s are, అంటే ఇక్కడ 2x ఉంటుంది. 2x into 5 means that is minus 10x. Is it clear? 6x into x square, 6x cube. With 3 you cancel 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are, అంటే ఇక్కడ 2x ఉంటుంది. 2x into minus 5, that is minus 10x. You write this part here, that is 6x cube minus 10x. Okay, by changing the signs here, plus 6x cube, that is minus 6x cube, minus 10x becomes that is plus 10x. So clearly plus 6x cube minus 6x cube cancel. Here plus 3x square minus 10x plus 10x cancel. Here that is minus 1. Again in this, what is the highest degree term now? That is 3x square by, just divide the highest degree of the divisor, that is x square. Okay, x square cancel means we get 3. I'm writing 3 here in the place of quotient. Again you multiply the divisor, that is x square minus 5 by 3 with 3. 3 into x square, that is 3x square. 3 cancel అయిపోతే, that is minus 5. Okay, now you write this one in this place, that is 3x square minus 5. By changing the signs, this is minus, this is plus. Plus 3x square minus 3x square cancel, minus 5 plus 5 cancel. The remainder is what? 0. What we get the quotient? The quotient is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay, so clearly quotient we get a quadratic polynomial. Quotient we get what? 3x square plus 6x plus 3. We get a quotient is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, now like this, by step doing the procedure, we will get like this. Okay, now we want 2 other zeros. Yes, we get quotient q of x is equals to what now? That is q of x is equals to, we get that is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Yes, I want zeros of this polynomial. That's why what I am doing here, q of x is equals to 0. Okay, then q of x means what? That is 3x square plus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. By splitting the middle term, 3x square into 3 means 3 3s are 9, 9x square. Okay, what are the factors of 9? Factors of 9 80, 3 3s are 9, 1 9s are 9, yes, 9 1s are. What is the condition? You take any two factors of 9, but their product should be 9 and their sum should be 3, 6. You take any factors of 9, any two factors of 9, but their product should be 9, their sum should be 6. So what I am taking here, I am taking here 3x, 3x, 3 3 is a 9 gada. I am adding these two, 3x plus 3x, that is 6x. I am multiplying these two, 3x into 3x, that is 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. Okay, so in the place of 6x we can write 3x plus 3x. Okay, now 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. In the place of 6x, what I written? 3x plus 3x. Okay, now first two terms, which is the common? The first two terms lo edi common undi? X is common. X is 3x is common. Here 3x square, here 3x. In this first two terms 3x is common. ఇక్కడ 3x ని కామన్ తీస్తే ఒక x ఉంటుంది. Yes, 3x square కదా. 3x common means if take out the common 3x, we get here only x. Already 3x completely common అయిపోయింది. That's why 1. Again you multiply 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x. Again the next two terms nunchi which is common? 3 is common. So if I take out the common 3, here x is there plus 1 is equals to 0. So here x plus 1 I am taking 1 is x plus 1, and here 3x and plus 3. By taking these two are another factor. I am doing separately x plus 1 is equals to 0, 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. Separate గా 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నా. Then what I get that is x is equals to plus 1 transpose into RHS side means it becomes minus 1, and here 3 is transposing means that is 3x is equals to plus 3 becomes minus 3. Then x is equals to, you can write minus 3 by 3. Okay, now 3x means 3 into x kada, into quantity becomes division quantity. 3 3 cancel means we get minus 1. So therefore what are the zeros of a, what I get the zeros? Minus 1, minus 1. Okay na? So therefore we can say that the zeros of a, therefore we can say that the zeros of a biquadratic polynomial p of x, that is what we get that under root of 5 by 3 comma minus under root of 5 by 3 comma minus 1 and minus 1. These four are the zeros of a biquadratic polynomial. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, thank you.